Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to prepare a broccoli fried rice, which is a healthy recipe. Yes, it is a healthy recipe since we are not going to add any sauces to it, with less oil, more vegetables and very little rice. This is a very good recipe for those who don't eat onion and garlic too. And we have very less recipes with the broccoli, and this is one of the very good fried rice. And let us have a look how to prepare it. Come on, let's go and have a look.
Take a pan, add some oil, add bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves and half teaspoon of fennel. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fennel and cumin are good for digestion, so try to add more cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Now add 1 cup of frozen pigeon peas. If you have any other frozen peas, you can add it. Now add 1 cup of capsicums. We are making a healthy fried rice, so we are not adding any garlic and onion and sauces too. Add required amount of salt. Just saute it. Now add 1 cup of broccoli. Broccoli don't have to cook more, so just saute it. Yeah, this is a quick fried rice. You can prepare it very quickly. Add 1 cup of paneer. We are making a high protein fried rice too by adding paneer, mushroom, and if you don't eat any of these vegetables, you can avoid it. So those who don't eat mushroom, they can avoid mushroom and add the remaining ones. Yeah, just sort it. We can cook all these vegetables just to 75%. You don't have to cook more. So add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Slightly cook. Yeah. Now I am adding the normal rice. I am not adding the biryani rice since I used to prepare it 2 weeks once and I am in diet too. So if you add biryani rice, we'll eat more. So I thought that way. And I am adding the normal rice. So we didn't put any sauces here. So it's good. Yeah. You too, please cook and let me know the comments in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching.